I'm so excited. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Radby, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Rada. Make sure that you thumbs up and subscribe so you won't miss the video that I post. It's been for a while. I know it's take too long. I had a hard time with my school final exam, and it's done. Summer is here, and I'm so happy to see you guys again too. I'm so sorry, and I hope, finger crossed, I hope that this summer I'm going to do more video, and I hope you guys stay tuned for it. Today's video, you guys probably see from the title, I'm doing an unboxing from YesStyle stuff, and I'm so curious what they have inside because I honestly don't know what they sent it to me. I am so excited. If you guys haven't known, YesStyle is a Korean company that have a lot of cutest stuff ever, and I think I said this so many times. You guys probably know from my latest video. Thanks to YesStyle for sending me these goodies. I'm so excited, and to be honest, I don't really know what is inside, and I'm so keen to see it. If you guys are interested in their product, I'm going to put link down below and you guys can check that out. And shall we start it? Ooh, guys, look, so this is what they sent it to me. Wow, guys, I'm so excited. The first thing that I grabbed, this looks like a book for me. I don't really know what is this, to be honest. I think it's like K-pop fashion book. They have the sticker as well. Wow, this is so cute. I think I'm going to put this in multiple ways, probably in my phone or something. There is a CD right here in the back. This is the stamp sticker and postcard set. I'm so keen to see what is inside. My first impression is the bag. The bags look so good. I think I'm going to do something with the bag for sure. I really like it. I probably put some sticker, put some paper, or like my work stuff, I think this is pretty cute. I don't really know them unfortunately, but I really like how they sent this to me. There are so many different pictures. The next thing that they sent it to me is, ooh, this is so cute. I love this. Looks like they're featuring with the BTS. If you guys don't know, BTS is the K-pop. I am surprised they sent me the contact lens. To be honest, I don't really use contact lens here because it's a little bit expensive for real, and I think this is very affordable, so you guys can go and check that out. Here they sent me like, oh my god, I'm so excited, guys. For real, I haven't used this for so long because since I came here, I don't really buy it because it's, as I say, it's a little bit pricey. I'm curious that they have like different color or they are the same. I think they probably are the same. Yeah, I think they are the same color. If you guys want to see my makeup video, just let me know. I'm going to do it. I think I'm going to do it for soon. I think I also got the another contact lens as well. Wow, they sent me a lot of contact lens. I'm so happy. There are different of the colors, which is so cute. Which color of contact lens do you like? I like gray a lot, and to be honest, I see a lot of gray in here. I'm so happy. I got the olive green. I have the self gray, myself. It's called myself hazel. I don't really know, but it's kind of like brown color. I love this. Thank you so much, YesStyle, for sending me this. I love it. Here's the another one that I got. I think this is the BTS poster. They are super cute. I know that I am not a big fan, but my friend liked them a lot. So here we go, guys. So cute. Again, guys who are interested in contact lens, just contact me and I will send some of this to you guys. I'm so happy to send this to you guys. Thank you so much, YesStyle, for sending me this amazing box. I love this so much and I will try it for sure, and I think that is gonna be in the next video. Thank you so much you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy this, and please let me know which video you want me to do it. This summer I'm going to do a lot of videos. You guys probably should stay tuned, and I will see you guys in the next video. For today's video, I am about to go. Bye.